We just, you have to kind of let people know about, whether it's government officials, police, or just the public, that we have rights in America, and that's what it's about. It's about education.
As long as he has that fishing pole in his hand and he says he's going fishing, he can carry a firearm on him.
Okay.
An open firearm?
Open carry firearm.
Yeah.
That's correct.
All right, let's do this. I'm the gun guy, right? Yeah, man. It's nice to meet you. Thank you for the support, man. That's all I could ever ask for anybody. It's like, if you understand it and you appreciate it, thank you.
It's all right, man. It's our freedom.
It's your freedom. Your freedom, too.
You're not going on the pier, right?
I'm going right now. It closes at 8.
No.
The close?
Kicked everybody out, yeah.
Well, I'm going to go out there anyway.
Go on the beach.
No, I'm going to go out there and just say hi.
All right.
Yeah, I'll see you later. What's up? What's up?
What kind of gun is that?
AR-15. That's actually a 300 Blackout. Yeah. I don't put BBs in it.
Are you gonna shoot fish?
No. That'd be silly.
What are you gonna shoot with it?
Nothing. And if somebody tries to mess with me and tries to hurt me, that's what this is for.
Awesome.
So, what's up, man? Man, what, the fish ain't biting?
Nah. That's when the adrenaline hit.
How y'all doing? No, they don't. As long as they don't attack me, they don't stand a chance. Oh, no way. Come on now. Somebody told me you close at 8 o'clock.
No, we close at sunset until November 1st.
Oh, man. I even looked it up.
Yeah.
Give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes.
Sorry, man. I'm so sorry. No.
I drove all the way from the Keys.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I think there's a place in Orlando open. I'm sorry.
Orlando ain't got snook.
Yeah.
It's all good, man. No, it's not your fault, dude. It's just the way it is. But
The website says 10 o'clock.
It says 8 o'clock. Well, I saw 8. That's why I said.
Well, you know what? Whatever it is, it's going to be.
It's sunset. That's what it said.
Until after the.
The whatever.
What do you got here, man?
This is a 300 Blackout, 10.5-inch upper.
Are you allowed to open carry that shit?
Long as I'm going fishing, hunting, or camping.
All right, man.
Yeah, and that's why I was coming
It's a
out.
Blackout.
300 Blackout.
I've seen that on the internet.
Oh yeah, this
with a
is
silencer.
yeah. In
Do you have the silencer?
not yet. I gotta do my paperwork.
All right.
I gotta sign that permission slip to get that. But I'm just gonna narrate about the Juno Beach because.
All right, I have to really clean the field.
No, yeah, you're good to go, man. Thank you very much. It's unfortunate. Can you fish off the beach here?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, perfect. Then I'm gonna go fish off the beach for a little bit because I drove all the way from Key West.
Are you shitting me?
I'm not. I wouldn't shit.
Are you going home tonight?
I wouldn't shit you
Are
if you were my.
home? I know you're not, but are you going home tonight?
No. I plan to come here and hang out for the day, and I'll probably come back tomorrow.
I hope so.
Yeah. Well,
We open up a half hour before sunrise.
Okay,
All
perfect.
you
So
have to do is Google what time is sunrise Juno Beach.
you're the man.
All right.
Hey, what was your name?
Bruce.
Bruce. You're the man, Bruce.
All right.
You are the man.
How much did that cost you?
Depending on how you want to look at it. If you want to take off if you just want to go with the sights, this will cost you less. I'll say about 800, 900.
800, and then the site probably costs what?
Another 200-300.
Okay.
Depending the hollow.
That's not so serious.
It's not crazy.
That looks like it would work well for home defense.
This is what it is. Home defense, and I can go shoot hogs with it.
Will that take down a hog? It's a 9.
Oh, no, it's a 300 Blackout.
Oh, 300 Blackout.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's got a lot of thump to it. I mean, or it's got more.
Around cost.
$1. Yeah. So a 30 round mag will cost you $30.
Can you fit anything else in there?
I can actually. I have a 5.56 that I could just take the upper off and then drop that other one on this.
Can you put a 9 receiver in there?
You can pretty. The great thing about AR's platform is you can go 9mm, you could go 45, you could go 500, 5.56.
Who is the manufacturer?
The upper is Bear Creek Arsenal,
And
the lower
Yeah.
is a company out of California.
okay, cool. Anyhow, take care.
Yeah, you too, bud. But everybody, here we're at the Juno Beach, and unfortunately I got here just a little bit too late. But I'm gonna come back tomorrow, and like I said, the Juno Beach Pier, they've got a lot of great snook. You can have, you know, your no diving, no chumming. Max reel is a 4/0. No cast netting, no pets, no profanity. Keeping everything civil. You want to keep everything civil here. No sleeping bags. I'm not really sure what that means. Fly rods, hand lines, and snatch hooks and yo-yos. Yeah, you can't. I'm not really sure why you can't use hand lines. No surfboards. No sitting on the railings. But that's okay. All this doesn't mean anything because I'm out here following the law. So other than that, I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna go out to the beach. You did say I'm good to go off the beach, right? Well, I see people fishing off the beach, so I'm gonna go to the beach.